exactly 7. See what we have now. Now we're gonna be making this metal bit. So 1 Shift D, bring it here, R90, enter, scale S and Shift Y. So the Y axis is out of selection now. We're not scaling along the Y axis. SZ, bring it down and bring it down until it touches 3. Go to the side view. That's good. This is really just a basic model, yeah? So what we need to do now, give them some materials. So select first the base and go to material, add new. The color is now important, but you have to create a material before you will apply the texture. Now texture, new. From here select image or movie and open. Go to desktop, my textures, thumbnails, and for this model I'll be using this one. Okay, and you want to make sure that here in mapping you're going to change flat to cube, and you can press 0 and F12 to render. Now nothing happened because you have to shift and select layer number 20 with lights, F12 to render. You can see, let me change the resolution to 80 and F12 again. Yeah, that's what we have. If you don't like direction of your texture, you need to go to here in textures, image mapping, image sampling, and flip X, Y, F12 to render, and it's going in a different direction now. I can make it even bigger so you can see 100% F12. Alright, escape, Control S to save your file. But okay, so this is metal, so we're gonna just make it gray, new material, and change it to sort of gray. And we want the rest of the bits to be wooden parts as well, so we've got this material created. And if you select just the first layer, press A to select all, Z that you can see, hold down the shift and right click double, deselect the metal bit and deselect the base, and now hold down, release, and now hold down the shift, select the base and press Ctrl L, make links to materials and Z, and now all of them are sharing the material with sharing the same material. Okay, and if you want to, which you probably want to, position to unfold your table, you need to do this. With these two legs, the inner legs, select one, select another inner leg. Oh, sorry, first of all, let's say select this one leg, another leg, and then select this bit and press Ctrl P, make parent object. So everything is parented to this pole or whatever it is. So when you rotate that, R, X, along the X, everything goes. You see? Good. And we need to do the same with outer legs. 1, 2, Control P, set parent object. Alright. Oopsie. Z R X. Yeah, good. If you want to move the whole thing, you just want to select one part and be able to move it. If you select the base now, you move the base. Control Z to step back. So we've got the legs parented, and now we need to select 1, 2, 3, and 4 of these, and as the last one, hold down the shift to select the base. Control P, make parent. So now when you select the base and move, see what happened? Control Z, and if you parent 1 and this, oops, it's quite difficult to select. And the last one, base again, Control P, object, Z. When you select the base now, then everything besides that, Control Z. So select this one and parent, Control P to base. Now select the base and everything will go together, all together, Control Z. Very nice. By the way, if you want to later on bring or import the whole table to another scene, you have to make a group. So A to deselect, A to select all, and Control G, make group, change the name of group here to table, enter. Alright, deselect. If you want to select the whole group, select just one part and then Shift G and group, and it's gonna be selected for you, the whole thing. Right? So now we can set it up. 3 Z, press R to rotate. It's gonna go, I think, just about like this. 3 Z. I'm not making a constraint, the proper rig here, but you can do it. And 3 Z, R to rotate, and that's it. Now when you select the base and press R, 180, enter, bring it up, 0, bring it down, F12, oops, still the same, oops, I did it again, shift and layer number. There you go, here's your desk. Hope it helped. If you guys have another similar request, don't hesitate. I will see what I can do. Thank you very much for your attention.